Swatch. This is Syrupy. Now, today we're going back to Mobay. Going back to Mobay for a number of reasons. You see, when you hear me talk about one of the Snake 87 named Phang, you also hear me talk about one of them Annex, them KlLLED. Today, Phang, whom they done, right, tells us to keep an eye on this channel. Him and him camp, but they know who advised them. But whoever advised them to pull the stunt on the pull yesterday, even though the wrong advice. So I don't know what I talk about, but that foolish stunt is the direct reason why this video dropped today. It is going to drop later, but we'll just bring it forward, just for showing you some mean business. Try another stunt, and it's going to get even worse. You see, when Annex dropped out, there was immediate retaliation by the Snake. You might have heard about the triple murder, right? Place named Rosites. 3 youth end up dead, and them wasn't even really the target. You see, the Snake, right, did want to kill the Teletubbies' mother. Right. Yes, your favorite artist, Squash. The mother was supposed to be dead in that operation. You probably think to yourself, hold on. But when they dropped the video, exposed the Snake, she did come defend the Snake. Just like the Teletubby. I'm telling you, sir, a smoke and mirrors. Publicly, it seemed like they're on one accord, like the under. But behind the scenes, they've been at it for a very long time. It's just that certain things are go public. And these people are so acidic that even though them at it privately, publicly, they will stand together, right, to unite against a single common enemy. That is the PIA. So that is why when certain things come out, you see them try and discredit the movement. But that's because, right, they want to, make it sound like, say, no matter about him, I try to get views, and then them can do what they do behind the scenes. So the Teletubby mother was the real target of that criminal operation. But man, them couldn't get to her, they end up kill the 3 of them. So, the Snake is clearly still a menace. You see the man them are war with, them have weapons too, and them can kill too, as you see with Annex. But the Snake have the money. The Snake have the firepower, as the people in my rose eyes can tell you. The man them a pull up, right, and kill the 3 people in. Peer rifle. Right now, I want you to look on the screen. That youth right there, so, named Dutch, or Dutchman. That youth was the Snake's so-called best friend. At least one of them. The Snake is the very reason why this youth is no longer alive. The Snake killed off his best friend. But he couldn't do it without the help, right, of one of the 87s them in M camp now, right, that is causing real problems in the streets. We are talking about the Licky 87, with him called Phang. You see, Phang, I did already tell you, say that get spooky. Phang, just like Obese Ed, used to benefit from the fact that him could just move around undetected, carry out certain strikes people never see coming. But they don't know the kind of take care of Obese Ed already. But Phang, man, they feel like everything alright. Phang the things are joke thing with them, man. But I tell them, say, they need to relax, but they're not here. Them think they can just go around, shoot to them want to shoot, kill them want to kill, turn Mobay in a ghost town, right, and nothing come outside. Your favorite leaders, they're clearly not getting a grip of the situation. You see, I give you some very spooky operations. the Phang take part in. You see, Dutchman, it was Phang who the snake used to set up Dutchman. It was Phang, right, who played a major role in the fact that the snake would have killed off Dutchman. Remember, this is his so-called best friend. Two of them used to up and down on the road, right? You don't have 2 peas in a pod, well, 2 87s in a pod. It's when time the snake killed Dutchman, enough people realize just how crooked he can be. That's when people realize that the snake can be trusted. But you see, because the snake have money and clout from the music industry and all that, enough people still itch up around him. So the snake killed off Dutchman, but you hear that already. Phang, you remember this gate? Phang, obese head, snaky. Look on the screen, good. You remember that griller? You look familiar, right? You probably not really pick it up too well because the last time you probably see it, it was night. Remember about 9:30? Them time there? This gate belonged to some people known as the Russells. And the Russells were charged with illegal possession of a relative. They related to another 87 named Momo. You see, your favorite artist was in jail and Momo in a dispute. And to settle the score, him send man to go kill the Russells. You heard it, remember? The DJ, quote unquote DJ, Sticker Rhyme did come out and did a ball on the radio. And matter of fact, let me play you what Sticker Rhyme say. Check this one.
If you have done something in a life, for instance, so you own this big supermarket, right? And you're a boss and you're doing business and you're bad. You can't come back and fix the bad what you do because people are going to have you as that. So you come and say, come my son or come my daughter, be the no face of the business. But the business are still in the family. So if people want to have Vybz Kartel a certain way or have him a certain way, they're not supposed to judge who around him like the same. That murder, me hear about it. I think a couple days ago, and that don't have nothing to do, I don't know nothing about that because me and the same family very, very close. Tell me someone, anybody just take the time out and just take a listening ears and just give me a chance and me I work hard for me I've been doing it for a while now.
You see, clearly he's not too bright. Or maybe him do it on purpose, who knows. But him indirectly just telling us the beef, right, between him boss and other man and people take it out on him, which is why him get shot up. After him get shot up, that's when the order to go down the line to go kill the Russells who were related to Momo. People them live in a Waterford. But you probably know all of this, maybe you've seen my View TV video about the whole thing, right? But when I found no. Is who carry it out. You see, the same Phang, the same obese head, the same snaky, and them go there. Oh, snaky, me know you're confused now. Oh, me know that. You see, a mobile man them here. Just in case I wonder, well, how mobile man reach a Waterford? Youth from the area guide them to the yard. Not only that, it was the youth them from the area who do the initial scoping out of the place and realize that the people them never lock up them place. Right, the girl them never lock up and things like that. Them do that scoping out there. You see, this triple murder is the perfect example as to why the stationary checkpoint them where them use in the Zozo and the SOE them are a complete joke. Because Waterford at the time did have checkpoints and the man them still manage, right, to kill the people them and not get catch. Police and soldier each up a checkpoint. The criminals them know for the checkpoint them there. The local youth them know how to get round them and them could have easily navigate and get the snake them to the people them yard, carry out the shooting, right? And when time the man them gone, right, security forces them turn up, even though them just up the road. Right. The man them right up the road sit down on a checkpoint. Those stationary, right, quote unquote tactics are a complete joke, and this triple murder, right, is another example of that. Criminals are mobile, so why would you have police and soldier stationary? You think 87s are gonna just walk past you with rifle in them hand, you lock them up? These checkpoints are some of the biggest joke, right, in the so-called fight against crime. The one in my West Kingston, the one them you set up for this Waterford triple murder, the one in my Mobile, the man them just easily navigate. MC say, oh, they say there? Alright, we just go away. And you them in Portmore, you them who know Waterford, know all the local lane them on the place them figure to bypass it. That's why even with the checkpoint, them could have killed the 3 people them. But let's get back to Phang and Fathead and the snake. Once the Portmore youth them guide them to the location, and them going there or do the damage, Snake him know you're confused. Surely you don't underestimate the level of intel the PIA can get. You see people at Jamaica, your favorite artist and your favorite quote unquote producer renewing death and destruction when the people in the Waterford. And no found hear about this, you know. You might not know say the Snake and Phang them they did it, but you know say one of the favorite artists responsible for it. But you don't care. You don't care about Granny. You don't care about the 3 people them. I want you to understand something. I'm not talking to the Snake now. Because Phang, the only reason Phang even there so, or even I get a video, is because, as me say, he was the last one with a hide behind over a full mask and everything. Right, and people like get caught off guard. So that done now. Licky Phang, that's over. Right, the jig is up. But Snakey, back to you. You probably think to yourself, right, no man, then if the PIA no say, or will you go Waterford? I wonder what else them know. Yes, wonder what else we know. Snakey, you see the stunt on the pull yesterday? Pull another one. Because me have 4 letters for you. J, B, A, D. Let me spell it again. J, B, A, D. If you really want to say, we turn Jamaica upside down. Pull another stunt. Or better yet, the one you pull, I could see if it work out for you. We've advised you, it's a terrible job. The fact that people like Phang, Obese Head, the Snake, especially after we're done put him out there already, right, can continue to give out orders like the triple murder we want to see go on in a mobile already after Annex dead. Show you say your favorite leaders them now work. People of Jamaica want to understand this clearly. The state have all the apparatus in the world to help them fight crime. The PIA, right, PIA Special Ops, they have 1% of the resources that they have. And can crack and infiltrate and gather, etc., etc. when it comes on to the Snake and its operations or gangs around the country. But people have to tell us, say, we still don't know what happened in Waterford. Plating with a dip on. So I'm help you know. The Snake, Fathead, Phang, couple of youth from Portmore who do the guiding part, because obviously them know them way. Them responsible for Waterford. Phang, Dutchman trust you. Set him up, make him dead. And that really bust Phang. The reason why Phang is so close to the Snake now is because of what him helped do with Dutch. I guess the Snake identified the same local, cutthroat style in a Phang but in a him. But J-B-A-D, enough people have scratched them head because them don't know what I'm there so. But when you hear what I'm there, so, when I go see how them youth are really stay. When I go see just how much them spread them wing across Jamaica. Because you might think say them violence concentrated in a mobile. No. The snake have enough money and contact and resources, right? If you have people killed all over the country, they go tie back some murders to the snake and show them why he's top of the list when it comes on to the targets them. Keep an eye out. Snakey, obese head, Phang. Remember, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.